My name is Miss Cookie Tea, and welcome to my universe. Today, I'll be taking this chicken sandwich bag and turning it into a purse, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Before I continue with the video, I wanted to talk about the pattern itself. There are a few things I did off camera. The first thing I did was tape the seams. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I applied a piece of tape here as well as here, so every time I open and close the pattern, it does not rip the paper. I also went ahead and folded the top. So as far as the zipper goes, originally I placed the zipper line up top here, and after looking at it for a little while, I decided to move it down slightly. Once I did that, I took an X-Acto knife and created this slit here. So I did that for a couple of different reasons. And the first reason is that I wanted to make sure that the zipper line lined up in the back as it did in the front. Also, the slit will be the exact length of the zipper, which is roughly 3 inches. And I want to make sure that the zipper sits in between these two flaps here, since when you close the actual bag, the sides do fold in. And I want to make sure that the zipper and the bag don't obstruct each other. Also, when I go to mark the zipper placement on the vinyl, I want to use the zipper lines to mark the exact placement of the zipper, since I will not be sewing the zipper onto the actual bag, but only the vinyl itself. So the last markings I made were on the side of the bag for the placement of the hardware. I made a couple of different marks here, as you can see, and I went ahead and chose the 2-inch mark. That would be 2 inches from the top here. So I haven't actually received my hardware yet, and once I receive that, I may want to make adjustments later, so please just keep that in mind. So this is where things get a little complicated. I cut 2 pieces of iron-on vinyl to the exact same size. The sheet that you see here will be ironed on the inside, and I'm marking where the slits for the zippers will go. Later in the video, when I'm applying the vinyl, you'll notice that I don't show the part where I'm applying the inside piece, and that's only because it took me such a long time to lay the vinyl on the inside around the zippers. But please note that the application for the front and the inside are the same.